Hi, this is Ithiar from Bimser International, and in this video, you will learn how to design a dashboard on EBA. Let's get started. The dashboard module in EBA is a visualization tool, and with it we can create panels like the ones that I'm showing right now. This one is a very simple one. It only has a couple graphs, and for example, the first one shows the number of transactions per user. The way to create these dashboards is with the dashboard designer, and there are three types of elements: the dashboards, the layouts, and the widgets. The first thing to do is to create a widget, then add the widget to a layout, and finally add a layout to the dashboard. We can add different types of widgets: a graph, a table, a card, a map, or even a web page. I'll select the widget about the transactions per user that we just saw on the dashboard. The widget designer allows us to select the database connection that we want to connect to, the queries, and we can see a live preview of how the graph is going to look like. You can see that there are many options there, but that's the basis. You only select the database and the query, and that's enough to create that graph. Once we have the widgets, we can go ahead and add them to a layout. So for example, for our layout, we see that there are a few widgets that we can select in order to create that layout. Finally, we can add one or more layouts to a dashboard, and this is where we see the structure. We have the dashboard, then the layout, and finally the widgets. We don't have to show all the widgets at the same time. So for example, if we go back to that first dashboard that I showed, we see that there are only 2 items, that there are 4 in the gallery, and we could add those 2 to the dashboard. This was a very simple example to show the potential of this tool. And of course, we could create many different scenarios and use it, for example, to track KPIs. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you want to learn more about the database connections and how we manage EBA, make sure to watch this next video.